Let us now apply all the properties that we have learned so far. We have power with the same base. If you have a raised to m times a raised to n, copy the base and add the exponents m plus n. If you have a raised to a power raised to another power, just copy the base and then multiply the two exponents m times n. And if you have a power of a product, you can distribute your n to each of the factor. You will have a raised to n, b raised to n. So let's solve our first example. So for the first step, let us indicate the exponent of each of the factor. So 4, the exponent is 1. 3, the exponent is 1. Next, we are going to distribute this exponent to 1 and then to 5. So you will have 4 raised to 1 raised to 3. That's just 4 raised to 3. A raised to 5 raised to 3 is a raised to 15. Similarly, distribute 4 to 1 and then 4 to 2. So you will have 3 raised to 1 raised to 4 is 3 raised to 4. And then b raised to 2 raised to 4 is b raised to 8. Next, we are going to simplify 4 raised to 3. Remember, that's 4 times 4 times 4. That will give us 64. Bring down a 15. 3 raised to 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 81. Bring down your b8. So I have here a monomial times another monomial. Multiply first your coefficients. 64 times 81, and that's 5,184. Bring down a15 and then bring down b8. Now note that we have here two different bases, so we cannot add 15 and 8. Our answer will be 5,184, a raised to 15, b raised to 8.
Everyone else can multiply it by 60. Everyone else can add 2. Now take off 100 and add on 24. Then divide by 2 and add on 7 more.
Alright, second example. Again, I'll just write exponent of 3 as 1, exponent of y is 1, exponent of 2 is 1, exponent of x is 1. Next, we can now distribute this exponent. So you will have now 3 raised to 1 raised to 2, that's just 3 squared. X raised to 3 raised to 2 is x6. Then y raised to 1 raised to 2 is y squared. Same thing with this. Multiply 1 by 3, multiply 1 by 3, multiply 8 by 3. So you will have 2 raised to 3, x raised to 3, and then y raised to 24. Now let's simplify first our coefficients. 3 squared is 9. Bring down x6 and y2. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Bring down x3 and y24. Next, multiply 9 and 8. So just multiplying two regular numbers. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. Now x6 times x cubed, we have to add exponents. So if you are multiplying a monomial with the same base, you copy the base x and add the exponents. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. y squared times y 24. Again, we have the same base. You copy the base, add the two exponents. 2 plus 24 will give us 26. Now again, x and y are two different bases, so we cannot simplify this further. Our answer is now 72x9y26, which is option letter D. Option letter D. Example number 3. So I have here monomial times a monomial. We just need to multiply the two coefficients first. So 2 times 3. I hope that you will not choose 5. Okay, so we can cross out 5, cross this one out, cross this one out. Okay, just multiply 2 and 3. 2 times 3 will give us 6. We have x cubed times x 8. Now note that we have the same base. Copy the base and add the exponents. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So our final answer is 6x11. Note that we have here option wherein the exponent is 24. So be careful not to choose 6x24. Do not commit the mistake of multiplying 3 and 8. The rule in multiplying monomial is that you copy the base and then add the two exponents. Do not multiply the exponents. Okay, we only multiply the exponents if we have, let's say, x raised to 3 raised to 8. And this is the time that we multiply our exponents. 3 times 8 is 24. But not when you are multiplying two monomial. Just copy the base and add the exponents. Alright, example number 4. I have a factor here being raised to an exponent 2. So this is a power of a power. I will write first the exponent of 2, and then we do 2 raised to 1 raised to 2. We just have to multiply 1 and 2, that's 2. X raised to 3 raised to 2. Multiply 3 and 2, that will give us 6. Here, I will again write the exponent of 3. Now you will have 3 raised to 1 raised to 2. That's just 3, and 1 times 2 is 2. X raised to 8 raised to 2. Multiply 8 and 2, you will get 16. So 2 squared is just equal to 4, that's x6. 3 squared is 9, x16. So we are multiplying this monomial by another monomial. So multiply 4 and 9, that's 36. So based from the options, we can now cross out A, D, and E. We are left with B and C. Now x6 times x16, you copy the base and add the two exponents. 6 plus 16 will give you 22. Therefore, the final answer is letter C. So let's solve number 6. Again, the exponent of 4 is 1. You will have 4 raised to 1 raised to 3. Just multiply 1 and 3, you'll get 3. X raised to 4 raised to 3. So power of a power, you multiply 4 and 3, that's 12. And finally, y raised to 3 raised to 3, that's y raised to 9. 4 raised to 3 is just equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 64. Bring down your x12, bring down your y9. and this will be your final answer. Okay, so solve the rest of the questions. Once you're done, you may now go to our School Fusion, and you may now take your homework in our IA. All right, have fun solving.
Well, one of the main branches of mathematics is represented by letters and symbols. I bet you already know. System based on given actions. Well, 8 times x raised to 2 plus bx at c equals 0 is well known as the formula to quadratic equation. It's part of the matter big called algebra. There's no need to complicate, for math is fun. Algebra. Well, open up your mind and you will see concepts on form